Hey guys, welcome back to day, I gotta hold out another hand, six. Can I say six? Of the Christmas KAL giveaway. So the winner, oops, did I drop my little sheet? Nope, okay, no I didn't. The winner of this day 6 is Panushka. Hi Panushka, she's won before in I think another KAL. But anyway, it's Anna and I think she's from Hungary. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but she is definitely across the seas. And with her post number 178. So Panushka, you will be receiving this beautiful skein of prickly pear from Auden Wools. And it is a DK weight, 236 yards. So I hope that you can make something lovely with that. You will also be receiving the 6-piece set of crochet needles. You will also be receiving, Jordan, you want to tell her what this says?
Make today ridiculously amazing.
Ridiculously amazing. And then last, Panushka, you will receive a $10, up to $10 US pattern from Ravelry that was donated by Deborah, Firewoman. So get in contact with me via Ravelry with your address and I will get that out to you. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you the next day. Right, Jordan?
Yeah.
Peace.